there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I am having the bigger the hair, the closer to God kind of moment with Jenna by Margu in the color 130R. So what I've been doing to this wig since I put it on is gently going like this with my fingers, because I don't really want to comb this wig necessarily, but I am trying to tame some of the curl, because she's like poof, right out of the box. And I want all of this down here to still have all of this bounce and curl, but I don't necessarily want it to be like so it's already settling down, believe it or not. It was actually way poofier than this when I first put her on. So this is a really big wig, and not in terms of like size, but in terms of volume. It's just got a lot of body courtesy of this triple curl pattern. So before I do anything else, I'm going to go ahead and turn around so I can show you what Jenna looks like on all sides. This wig has a lot of hair and a lot of permatease, so it's just got a lot of everything. You know, it's another one that's a bit like a lion's mane because it's so curly and voluminous. So let's talk about the 130R. It is a really pretty, very rich, highly saturated sort of dark copper color on top of a natural dark copper. So very pretty, very dynamic color. I'm going to go ahead and take Jenna off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. So Jenna surprisingly looks just like the manufacturer photos. She's 5 ounces overall. The front down is 5.25 inches. And just sort of take the rest of the measurements with a big grain of salt, because look at all the curls. They're going to distort those measurements a little bit. But the nape is 13.25 inches, so it's, you know, considerably long. Let's see what's under the hood here. Jenna has an open cap with a generous piece of fuzzy felt at the front hairline. Open ear tabs, which are great for wearing glasses. She's also got an extended nape with a band of felt that's handy for using with the Velcro adjusters. She's quite stretchy at the perimeter, but not so stretchy in the back. Open wefted back and sides, and like I said before, generous permatease in the top of this wig. Very generous, and lots of body and volume and tons of hair. This wig weighs almost 5 ounces. The hair feels nice, the fiber feels great. You can see that color really close up too, where it's got those two contrasting dark auburns. Very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on now. It's definitely not a wig for people who don't like volume. But this one would be really nice in ponies, really super loose braids, that sort of thing, just because this texture is so pretty. You can do a lot with it, but it is definitely kind of an old school wig in terms of how much volume and how poofy it is. A lot of more modern wigs don't really have this much going on, but you know what? Some people, like I've said before, have big personalities and they want big hair to match. And so this will give it to you. This is the Jenna by Margu and the color 130R. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. And until next time, I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.